Hey, what's up guys? We have here a 67 Chevy II Nova SS. It originally came with the straight 6, and this car during restoration, it had an L-79 engine installed. Kind of a tribute car because only about 6 or 7 of these 67 Novas had the L-79 engine in it. The thing has super low miles. It basically just drives from across podiums collecting trophies. That's about it since restoration. Originally owned by a pastor. His Bible is actually in the car, which is really cool, signed by him. It's a real old Bible, so we've been calling it the Blessed SS. I've got this thing super duper shiny. I spent 2 days polishing paint that already looked great. Polished it and polished it with this super fine polish and a soft pad. It just gives it this amazing glossiness that I don't think many other people are spending as much time polishing cars as I do. That's what I did, and that's how I fell into selling these classic cars, just making cars look absolutely nuts. The inside is, every single thing's new. Basically the panels and the frame have all been totally redone, and everything else is new essentially. The car has been meticulously restored. Absolutely gorgeous. Wins all sorts of trophies and stuff. 67, it had that stripe on the seats, which I absolutely love. Very cool. Hurst shifter. Absolutely gorgeous. Everything's super solid underneath. I mean, zero rust. Look at the door jambs, everything just as shiny as the outside. Underneath this thing is just super clean. I mean, this thing has less miles than most new cars just getting shipped around from the dealership. I'm trying to scope out some banks to rob, try to buy this car because I'm in love. I don't know about you guys. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you subscribe and share. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.